Pathological liars are people who lie based on habits and sometimes believe their own lies. They may lie more than others, without good reason, and make up elaborate stories that sound real. They may also stick to their story even when it's obvious to others that they are lying. Narcissistic personality disorder, NPD, is a mental health condition in which a person believes they are better than everyone else.
You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. I wish I was special. You're so fucking special. But I'm a creep. I'm a widow. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here.
Your wife or your girlfriend makes decisions for you, it just means that she don't trust your fucking ass. It means you're a fucking pussy. That's what it fucking means.
I want a perfect body. I want a perfect soul.
Vitamin toxicity is also known as hypervitaminosis, and it occurs when the body has abnormally high levels of vitamins. Mental health symptoms of vitamin toxicity can include depression, mood changes, confusion, irritability. Andre is not mental stable.
Whether you're Christian, Buddhist, Islam, whatever, it's just not good to spread negativity. So anyone that's spreading any negativity is a red flag. And I'm sure most of you people know. As you can see, I wrote some stuff up here. Professional pretenders. Yeah, these are the sociopaths you have to watch out for. Professional pretenders. They always blame others. They usually work alone. They only care about personal gain, and they manipulate others to get what they want. They don't even care about that person. All right?
Other black dude on YouTube and all these other black people on YouTube are doing. If you type in credit repair, you're just going to see it, right? For yourself. And they all look ghetto, right? I mean, typically, if you want to repair your credit, don't talk to someone that's ghetto, has a hat and has toys in the background, and you know what I mean? Just talking like, you know what I mean by ghetto.
But Andre Nguyen, the CEO of that company, turned out to be a scammer and also very abusive towards me as a woman. I hope that he is sued and really can't scam any other victims out there.
Let me tell you something, what positive people don't do. Positive people don't gossip. Don't spread drama, which is basically gossip. Don't lie. Don't hate on others. Don't stalk. Anyone that's talking bad about other people, okay, well, if you were right, where's the better path here? You have to have something better. Talking bad about other people doesn't make you better. It actually makes you look like a piece of shit. And
so I'm going to talk about Andre from Pinnacle Credit Repair. Dealing with him was an absolute nightmare. You know, I got scammed, which is a major part of my contention.
I recently got a text message of a lady accusing me that I didn't work on her credit, when in fact I did. Are you a child or an adult? The situation that you're in can be tracked by your behavior. Do you know what perfect credit means? It means you do not make a mistake. What is the likelihood of you making another mistake, even if I fix your problems? I've been in the industry for 12, 13 years. You guys try to own a business like this. Try to own a business.
like this. Try to run a business for this long, dealing with this, dealing with that, dealing with nonsensical clients, dealing with bullshit, dealing with threats. Because this lady is living in a mobile home, traveling the world, and every time she goes to a different place, her credit card gets an alert. Look, idiot. No one wants your identity if you have fucked up credit. It's like, since when do you go to the projects or a ghetto neighborhood, a poor neighborhood like a trailer trash? Since when do you hear a trailer park got robbed? Because they don't got anything in there. They're broke. Unless they're a crack shack. That's an asset. Fentanyl, crack, yeah, that's an asset because you sell it for profit.
But then he had the audacity to cuss me out, disrespect me, bait me a number of times, lack of communication. It was just not good. I would not recommend them. It's a waste of time. It actually did more damage than anything positive.
Right, for where I'm at. So that's a huge accomplishment. But I'm not a multi-millionaire, but I want to be. But that takes great sacrifice. It takes a lot of sacrifice. So
Pinnacle Credit Management says he is not a millionaire, but has made the statement several times in the past, including he is living in a penthouse across from the Hudson River in New York when in truth he is in Vietnam. Let's take a moment to listen to his millionaire rant.
Plants, they need us, and we need them. It's the same with money. We need money, we love money, money loves us. Money is chasing us, and money is destined to be with us. Money is your soulmate. Money is my soulmate. My living purpose is to be with who I'm destined to be with, and that is money. Money is my soulmate, my kindred spirit. Money belongs to me. Money is mine. It's my destiny to have money, and money is looking for me. I am money's destiny. When money is present, it looks for me.
you can use their candle to burn others and harm others, but no, I use my candle to light others. And those that try to attack me, I don't even retaliate, right? Because when you retaliate with people, you become sick as well.